What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pause your notifications in Coinbase. Sometimes they can get too much. You can be receiving too many of them and you just want to silence that noise. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your Coinbase, and you're going to go to the top left and select the three lines. And then you want to scroll down and go to notification settings and select that. And right here where you see push notifications, it says take a break. Pause notifications for a short time. So go ahead and press that and switch that toggle to the right. And right here, it says want to take a break. And then it goes on to say that you can pause the notifications for up to a week. So I'm going to do that. And as you can see, it says pause until November 18th at 10:01 a.m. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.
Listen.